Hi, welcome to my project showcase of this inventory tracker for a watch repair shop. I've created this Excel inventory tracker to optimize stock management and to keep track of the financial records, providing insights that can help the business make data-informed decisions. Let's dive into the project. First, I'd like to introduce all the tables. The repairs table, watch transactions table, items transactions table, items inventory table, restock table, customers table, and last but not the least, suppliers table. Repairs table contains all repair transaction details such as watch specifications, item used in the repair, and other relevant information. Watch transactions table includes all information about bought and sold watches, their condition, buy and sell prices, and the parts used for that restoration. Items transaction table contains all transaction details of sold items, also indicating whether the sale was a standalone sale or a part of a repair transaction. Items inventory table lists all items sold in the shop, storing detailed information about each item. Restock table tracks records and restocked items including quantities and other details. Customers table holds information about each customer and their contact details, although we found it inconvenient and decided not to use it extensively. And the suppliers table, which contains all information about each supplier and their contact details. Now that all the tables are introduced, let's move on to the sheet that contains monthly data for all categories. Monthly data sheet has three areas: repairs, watch transactions, and items inventory. Each area has a pivot table structuring the data to make it usable for graphs and transposing to other sheets. Below each pivot tables are charts visualizing the data for easy analysis. Now, let's head on to the summary sheets. Let's head on to the repairs transaction summary. Repair transaction summary displays transaction details such as watch repair type, brand, model, items used, date, cost, and revenue. Users can input or select from this drop-down menu. The daily repair transaction list shows transactions and their details for a specific day. The next is the watch transaction summary. The watch transaction summary consists of four areas. Watch transaction items list lists bought and sold watches and their details. Monthly watch transaction list contains the list of transactions for the month and the year selected. Watch transaction details provide a detailed information of the buy and the sell details of the specific watch ID. The next is the inventory summary. The inventory summary contains multiple tables with specific purposes. Items to restock lists item that needs restocking and suggested restock counts. Stock history provides a brief detail of stock history for each quarter of the year. Daily inventory transaction list lists all daily transactions for the selected date. Financial records show financial records by quarter for the inventory category. Restock and sold inventory history provides restock and sales history for each item by quarter with a live tally and recommended stock levels. Quarterly count per item shows records quarterly by sold items, cost, revenue, and profit. There's also a monthly inventory item sales, which displays item sales monthly. Restocking tools are used to update the restock table with the latest changes. The users can use this format to update the restock table of any changes in the inventory. I analyzed inventory item sales data to auto-generate ideal stock number for each item. This resulted to a 45% reduction in excess inventory. Last but not the least is the overall summary. Overall summary contains summary of financials across categories. The cost, revenue, profit, labor fee, operating expenses, and other monthly records are automatically sourced from various parts of the workbook. With real-time auto-calculations, all summaries remain current and accurate. From this, it is revealed that for over a year and a half, profit difference increased by a sum of 46%, and this is due to the tracking and adjustments based on the collected data. By leveraging these tables and summaries, the inventory tracker helps in efficiently managing stocks, analyzing financial records, and making data-driven decisions to enhance business operations. Thank you for exploring my project. I hope you found it informative and insightful.